Hello students, welcome once again in online session of classroom. In our last lecture, I was teaching you modal auxiliaries verb. I have told you how to use can, could, will, would, shall, should, etc. Today we are going to study how we can use modals may, might and must. May when it is used in a sentence, it gives the sense of सकता है, सकती है, सकते हैं. Can also give the same sense, but there are differences between them. What are the differences? See, unlike to can, may shows possibility. When there is possibility, we will have to use may. पॉसिबिलिटी मीन्स संभावना, किसी चीज़ की संभावना हो जब हम मे मॉडल का प्रयोग करते हैं. नाउ नंबर 2, फॉर आस्किंग परमिशन. व्हेन वी आस्क फॉर परमिशन, like students, when they want to do anything, they seek the permission of their teacher using may. Now the third one, wish and curse, श्राप और आशीर्वाद. may also denotes wish and curse, and the fourth one, request, प्रार्थना. So may model is used in order to express possibility, asking permission, wish and curse and request. Now see the exercise. Number 1, there are clouds in the sky. Full stop. It blank rain today. Means the clouds are rolling in the sky. That's why it is possibility that the rain is about to take place. So in condition of possibility, we will have to apply may. Now see the second one. Blank, I come in, sir. You ask the permission to your teacher using may. It is asking permission. That's why may is required here. Now see the third one. Blank, you live long. It is a kind of blessing, means wish, and in order to express wish and curse, we will have to use may. Now see the next model, might. Might is also give the same sense while using in the sentence सकता है, सकती है, सकते हैं, but it denotes remote possibility. Remote possibility means क्षीण संभावना, जब संभावना न के बराबर हो. We will have to use might. Probability, and in remote possibility we will have to apply might. For example, it is very hot today. Full stop. It blank rain tonight. आज बहुत गर्मी है, आज रात को बारिश हो सकती है. तो देखो, कई बार ऐसा होता है कि दिन में गर्मी होती है और रात में बारिश हो जाती है, लेकिन कई बार ऐसा नहीं होता है. सो क्षीण संभावना यानी कि न के बराबर संभावना के अंदर हम लोग माइट को अप्लाई करेंगे. नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट मॉडल, मस्ट. मस्ट while using in sentence gives the sense of चाहिए. Now what does it show? See, first of all, it shows obligation. Obligation means बाध्यता, मजबूरी, जब आप किसी को किसी कार्य के लिए मजबूर कर रहे हो. Now to compulsion. Compulsion means अनिवार्यता, मतलब जरूरी, ऐसा करना ही पड़ेगा. Now strong possibility, when the possibility is very strong, जैसे कि ये काम होगा ही से. Fourth, strong necessity, when necessity is very strong. And we also have to apply must not in the condition of prohibition. Prohibition, निषेध, जब किसी कार्य को करने के लिए मना किया गया हो. तो इन कंडीशन ऑफ प्रोहिबिशन must not will be applied. Now see the exercise. Exercise, you see must not. Must not is applied in the condition must not. Must not is applied in the condition of prohibition. When something is denied, when you are refused to do something, you will have to use must not. ये प्रोहिबिशन के लिए, मनाही निषेध के लिए प्रोहिबिशन का यूज़, प्रोहिबिशन होता है मीन्स मना करना, और उस प्रोहिबिशन की कंडीशन में यू विल हैव टू अप्लाई मस्ट नॉट. नाउ सी द एक्सरसाइज. व्हाट आर द एक्सरसाइज हियर? द फर्स्ट वन, एवरी स्टूडेंट ब्लैंक वियर यूनिफॉर्म. नाउ इट इज ऑब्लिगेशन. It is obligation means students are obliged to wear uniform in school. That's why you will have to apply must here. Now see the second one. He is ill. He is ill. Full stop. He consult a doctor. So when someone is ill, it is compulsory for him to consult the doctor. That's why you will have to apply must here. Now see the third one. The clouds are thundering. आकाश में बादल गरज रहे हैं. It blank rain. बारिश हो सकती है या होनी चाहिए. So it is strong possibility. And in condition of strong possibility, must is applied. Now we are going to study how ought to will be applied. Ought to is also gives the sense of चाहिए while using in the sentence. When we use it in the sentence, it gives the sense of चाहिए, but it shows duty. Duty and moral obligation. Duty means कर्तव्य. हमारे कर्तव्य क्या हैं, हमारी नैतिक, मॉरल ऑब्लिगेशन मीन्स नैतिक बाध्यताएं, हमारी नैतिक बाध्यताएं क्या है. सो इन कंडीशन ऑफ ड्यूटी एंड मॉरल ऑब्लिगेशन वी विल हैव टू अप्लाई ought to. नाउ सी द एक्सरसाइज. पीपल ब्लैंक प्रोटेक्ट पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी. इट इज़ द ड्यूटी ऑफ एवरीवन टू प्रोटेक्ट पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी. सो इन दिस कंडीशन you will have to apply ought to here. Now number 2, we blank help poors. हमें गरीबों की सहायता करना चाहिए. It is our moral obligation. That's why you will have to apply ought to, and in place of ought to you can also apply should here. Now I am going to give you some exercise. Write the exercise, fill the blank, click the photo and send it to me on my WhatsApp number. Number 1, he is intelligent. Full stop. He blank pass exam. Now it is possibility. In condition of possibility, you will have to apply whatever the model I have told you. See. Now number 2. You blank support your old parents. It is your duty, and in condition of duty, what will you apply? See. Third sentence, blank you pass your exam. It is a wish, and in condition of wish, what you will have to apply? See in the grammar portion. Now fourth, he is very serious. Full stop. He blank be taken to hospital. It is strong necessity, and in condition of strong necessity, what will be applied here? See in the grammar portion. And now it is fifth. It is main road. Full stop. You blank not park your car here. It is prohibition, and in condition of prohibition, what will be applied? See here. Okay, thank you.